Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming you can change desktop settings. This avoids permissions delays. Once ready, open Settings, press the Windows key +I or click Start and choose Settings. Make sure you go directly to Personalization or Date and Time depending on your OS. This first step locates the controls where Time display options live, so you can change visibility and format without hunting through menus. Proceed now to the specific display options in the next slide. Now you change how the clock looks and behaves. In taskbar settings, toggle the clock visibility and pick 12-hour or 24-hour format so the display matches your preference. Then open Date and Time to set the time zone and optionally enable showing seconds for greater precision. If you want multiple time zones, add additional clocks. If the tray icon is hidden, enable it so the time is always visible. Once done, verify time sync and visual placement. Finish by verifying the clock updates correctly. Sync with an internet time server and watch the seconds tick if enabled. If changes don't appear, restart Explorer. EXE or sign out and sign back in to force the taskbar to refresh. Make sure system updates are applied. Lingering issues can come from an incorrect BIOS/UEFI hardware clock, so check that next. If time still drifts, consider replacing a depleted CMOS battery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.